Jerry Seinfeld. Seinfeld just pulled in. The narc car. Look at this thing. Mint. Look at this. Wow. Seinfeld just boned out. He said, I'm out of here. Let's try that guy's car. He's backing in. Another Cobra. There he is.
And I just haven't had time.
Got my gloves on, dude. Nice, dude. It's sad when a car like this doesn't even get your attention because there's so much awesome stuff. That thing's like, doesn't even catch your eye. It's not sad, it's kind of cool actually. I had another video, but I spent too much time on the Viper. It's like, dude, look at all these cars, dude. I'd never get through. Stingray.
There's no way you can smog this thing. So now you find that motor be perfect. And a wheels or something. So it's not in
nice setup. Holy shit.
Yeah, but then what was
Look at that setup. Sweet. Very fucking nice. There's the Jesus. Holy smoke. And he's got a 5-speed. Look at those tires. That thing is rad. This is a cool box, independent fish company. He's got his step on the header. Nice. There's too many cars to even capture all of them. Look at this little guy. Gold grill. That's nice. Look at this one. Mini car. This is like the go-kart right here. Jesus. Sweet. Wow, look at that metal work. That's crazy. Whoa. And it's for sale. I wish there was a number. I could put that on there for the guy. Extra plugs, chilling. It's great. Oh. TR6. Nice setup. The Triumph gang, Porsche crew. This is why I wanted to ride my bike, but I didn't. I could just be riding through here. Just be riding dirty. The bumper is on the ground on that car. hiding in the very back. Let's see what's over here in the very corner. Dun, dun, dun. It's hiding out. Look at this thing. Slam. The Canadian American flag. This is the future flag, the NATO flag. I like that.